Are you planning to replace your windows in Calgary and wondering how long the process will take? In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about window replacement timelines so you can plan ahead and make an informed decision. In this video, we'll discuss how long it takes to replace windows in Calgary. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient windows or need a full replacement, understanding the timeline is essential. On average, a typical window replacement job in Calgary takes about 1 to 3 days. This depends on factors like the number of windows being replaced, the type of windows, and the complexity of the installation. Two key factors that can influence the time it takes to complete the job. Number of windows. If you're replacing just one window, it may take just a few hours. But for larger projects with many windows, the timeline will naturally extend. Type of window. Specialty windows like bay windows or custom shapes may require more time to install compared to standard sizes. Weather conditions. Calgary's weather can sometimes impact installation. Extreme cold or heavy snow might delay installation, but our team is prepared to work in various conditions. Site preparation. If there's a need to remove old frames or handle structural repairs, that can add a day or two to the process. The process typically involves several steps. Preparation. The area is cleared and old windows are carefully removed. Measuring and fitting. New windows are measured for a perfect fit to ensure energy efficiency. Installation. The new windows are installed, sealed, and tested to ensure everything is secure. Final touches. Once installed, finishing touches like trim or cleaning are applied to leave your home looking brand new. Here are a few tips to help ensure the process goes smoothly and quickly. Prepare the space. Clear the area around the windows before the installation team arrives. Choose standard window styles. Opting for standard-sized windows can reduce the time spent on customization. Book in advance. Scheduling your installation during the off-season, such as late fall or early spring, can help avoid delays. At Windows West, we ensure a hassle-free window replacement experience. Our team of experts is committed to getting the job done right and on time, whether you're in Calgary or throughout the surrounding areas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more window replacement tips. See you in the next video.